Hi friends, so we will continue the last class in which I taught you how to copy a line, open a new line above the line where cursor is positioned, open a new line below the line where cursor is positioned, copy a line that is nothing but yanking. Copying is also called yanking in Linux. How to paste a line above the line where cursor is positioned and how to paste a line below the line where cursor is positioned. So in this class, we will see how to delete a line. So you want to delete any line, position your cursor on the line where which you want to delete. Say you want to delete this particular line and type double D to delete it. So double D, you have to type double D only once. Okay, D D. So and it should be continuous. Okay, D D double D to delete the line. To delete any particular line in Linux. So I will repeat one more time. So how to undo the changes? You to undo the changes. So you to undo the changes. Accidentally say if you deleted some line, you can use you to undo the changes, undo your changes. Say how to delete a line. Position the cursor on the line which you want to delete and type double D to delete that line. So right now we have deleted this line. Okay, so this will delete only single line. Say I want to delete sometimes in companies as I have worked in real-time environment, I'm sharing my experience with you. So usually you may have to delete some line, some file containing hundreds of lines. So in that case, how do you delete it? You cannot delete each and every line by typing dd 100 times. So for that, you have to position the cursor from the line where from which you will start deleting. Suppose say I want to delete from this particular line and I want to delete 3 lines starting from here. So 3 lines, so you position the cursor from where you want to start deleting and type the number of lines that you want to delete in command mode. So 3, I want to say I want to delete 3 lines, 3 and DD. So 3DD will delete 3 lines. So let us see this again. You to undo the changes, say position the cursor from which you want to delete 3 lines and type 3DD to delete 3 lines. Okay, so you have deleted 3 lines. So that is about deleting lines in Linux. How do you delete a word? To delete a word, position the cursor at the beginning of the word. Position your cursor at the beginning of the word which you want to delete and type DW. DW to delete the word. So we have deleted this word. You can see I will undo the changes. So say we position the cursor here on the line on the word which we want to delete and type DW to delete the word. So this will delete that particular word. Okay, say if you want to replace a word, you want to replace this word, say broadcast is the word. So position the cursor at the beginning of the word which you want to delete and type CW. So if you say you want to replace and type CW to replace that particular word, and this should be done in the command mode. So type CW. You can see the word is deleted right now and you have been put in insert mode. So insert mode is to type the replacement. Type the word that will replace this particular word which you deleted. So instead of broadcast, say we type multicast. So we deleted the word. I will show it from beginning. So how to undo the changes? You to undo the changes. So we position the cursor at the beginning of the word which we want to delete. Okay, and type CW, sorry, which we want to replace, and type CW. So position the cursor at the beginning of the word which we want to replace and type CW to replace it. CW. So it will put you in insert mode. You can type the replacement for the word which you deleted. Okay, so press escape to come out of insert mode and to get into the command mode. How to delete a character? To delete a character, press escape. Press X in the command mode. So to go to command mode, press escape if you are in insert mode. Make sure you are in the command mode and type X to delete that word. Say X, so delete the character. So X to delete the character. You can see, I will undo this change. We have positioned the cursor on the letter X and type X on the letter T. Type X to delete it. So now it is deleted. How do you replace a letter or character? To replace a letter or character, position the cursor which you want to replace and type R. In command mode, type R once and type the letter type the letter which you want to replace. Say I will type here P. I will show it one more time. Position the cursor on the character which you want to replace. Type R once and type the character which you want to replace. P. Type the replacement. Okay, so this will help you to replace characters in Linux. But this should be done in command mode. How do you navigate in the file? In the VI editor, how do you navigate? Use up arrow key, down arrow key, up arrow key to move up, down arrow key to move down, left arrow key to move left, and right arrow key to move right. So this is about navigation in the file in VI editor in Linux. Say if you want, you can also use alternate keys like K to move up. Say the cursor is here right now. If you type K, you can move up one line in Linux. J to move down one line in Linux. H to move to the left and L to move to the right. Okay, so what is the key? K to move up, J to move down, H to move to the left, L to move to the right. So like this you can navigate in the VA editor between lines. How do you save this file? Now we have made changes to this file. We created a new file and we made changes to this file. How do you save it? So first go to command mode by pressing escape, type colon W to write or save the file. Write to the file or save the file. $W will save the file. You can see once we type $W and press enter, it says this file has been written. So it is also showing the statistics of the file. Say this file has 6 lines and it has 176 characters in it. Okay, so $W to write into the file or save the file. How to quit the file? Q to quit the file. Q, press enter. So now we have come out of the file. So how do you open the file again? VI space the file name, enter. Say you make some new changes here now. Okay, say you want to copy 3 lines starting from the third line up to fifth line. So say 3 3 lines copied, and say you want to paste it below this line where cursor is present. So position your line from below which you want to type paste the contents and type P to paste the content. How do you quit this file without saving? So to quit the file without saving, type Q And if you want to forcefully